Let's talk about how to copy a campaign in Bluehorn. To copy a campaign, navigate to Campaigns in the left-hand menu and select All Campaigns. Here, you'll see a list of all the available campaigns you have in our system. Simply search for the one you'd like to copy, either by client or campaign name, and click on the copy icon at the end of the line. On the pop-up, select the client you'd like to copy the campaign to and click Copy. Next, you'll be taken to the queue page where you'll be able to see the progress. When the copying has completed, you'll see the word Completed listed for that campaign. Now, click on the new copied campaign name and start working with it. Your settings, worksheets, and lines have all been copied over. You can now make adjustments and changes to meet your needs. And that's it. In need of some help? Click the Life Raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. Want to see more video tutorials like this one? Head over to bluehorn.com/videos for an online knowledge base of video tutorials where you can learn all about Bluehorn on demand.